Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm here to show you a quick overview of our new version of Promorepublic, Control Center for Agencies. Promorepublic is an all-in-one platform that helps agencies create and publish content, track brand mentions and comments, run promotional campaigns on social, collaborate smoothly with your clients using the commentary and approval interface, create astonishing content within minutes with the Post Ideas library that contains 100,000 plus handcrafted visuals, integrated photo stocks, and easy-to-use graphics editor. Schedule in advance and automatically publish to multiple social media channels with autopilot. The AI system suggests an optimal content plan that will bring maximum engagement to all your publications. See who's talking about your brand with the monitoring tool and drive more sales from social media with our intelligent ad services. The approval workflow tailored for agencies will transform the way you serve clients. You don't need to create loads of documents and emails, nor have separate tools for content creation, publishing, and collaboration. Now, everything happens in one place with Promorepublic. Create your client's profile and invite them to collaborate within the interface. Don't worry, clients will not be able to see each other's profiles nor the Post Ideas library, graphics editor, and smart planner settings and services. Now, all you have to do is create a balanced content plan manually or with the autopilot tool with different types of content for your client and just schedule posts with the Propose for Approval feature. The client will receive notification when their content is ready and the approval process begins. Collaborate smoothly with your clients using the commentary and approval interface. You can also schedule their posts regularly if there's no need for approval. Create reports that are easy to read and understandable for your clients. Get additional team members to enhance your agency teamwork. Consider getting your hands on white label options. And you have the final word on what prices you want to charge your clients. Save time, serve more clients, and grow your agency with Promorepublic.